Hi everyone, my name is Alessia and I'm a photographer. Today I'll tell you how to take creative birthday photos at home by yourself. For the photos you'll need a camera or a phone. You will also need a tripod or a mini tripod. You can buy a pocket tripod like this one, which is available in any store. I bought this one for $5 and it comes with a convenient remote shutter button. You can also use a smartwatch for this. If you don't have any of this, you can set a timer on your camera. Let's start with simple photos with decorations. Make sure to face the window so that enough light falls on your face. You can also add small props to your portrait. In this photo I have a happy birthday crown and small balloons. Another simple idea is to take a photo with a cake. If you don't want to be in the frame with the cake, but also don't want a plain photo of the cake on the table or floor, you can create an interesting composition. In this photo I placed the cake on the floor, added balloons, flowers and champagne, and included my legs in the frame. Another option is to arrange all the props on the table and include your hands in the shot. Give this video a like and let's continue. The next photo involves a party popper. For this you'll need some help, as it's hard to capture the moment with a timer or remote shutter. If no one can help you at the moment, you can record a video and then extract the frame you like. Small tip: remove pets and small children from the room, because party poppers are very loud. And be prepared to clean up the entire room afterwards. Set your camera to burst mode and leave plenty of free space above you in the photo. It looks great if you are looking up in the picture. Next, photo with the numbers of your age. I recommend buying smaller numbers if possible. I ended up with huge numbers and had to place the camera very far away. You can take the photo standing or sitting. Another interesting option is a photo with just your legs. For the next photo, you can take it in the bedroom, but since I have very little space there, I took the photo on the couch. You'll need a bathrobe, a towel, a glass and a pizza. You can also hang some decorations in the background. The next photo involves confetti on the floor. It's better to use a dark fabric, a blanket or bed sheets for these photos, because confetti won't be clearly visible on a light background. You can also use small props here. If you don't have a tall tripod, you can ask someone to help take these photos. My husband and dog helped me. Another holiday attribute is flowers. You can take regular photos or opt for slightly more revealing ones. Next, a couple of morning photos. For the first one, you'll need a blanket and a tall tripod. Place the camera directly above. Make sure the light from the window falls onto your face from above as well. Hide under the blanket and also use small holiday props. And if you don't have a tall tripod, ask for help. And the second morning photo is in the kitchen. For this photo you can wear a robe or a negligee. Use a cup and a cake or champagne with a glass as props. And a few serious photos if you like those. For these photos, we'll also use a wall with birthday decorations, balloons, a cake and flowers. But here we'll need a more classic outfit, either a dress or a pantsuit, and definitely shoes. We can light the candles on the cake or hold a glass in hand. Thank you for watching. Feel free to ask your question in the comments and subscribe to the channel. Here are many useful and interesting videos about photography.